I'm really trying to decide if I like this lip. It's really bold for me. I love the color. I'm just not sure if I love it on me. Hi guys, good to see you again. Welcome back. Welcome back, welcome back. Hey, hey. And if it's your first time, welcome, welcome, welcome. Glad to have you. Thank you for joining in. Today we are here for another round of Battle of the Boxes, and we're comparing Ipsy and Allure. These two boxes are actually last month's boxes, just comparing Ipsy and Allure together so you can decide which box you like better. If that's something that you're interested in, then hopefully this video is helpful to you. I have Ipsy here and Allure here, and we're going to go ahead and see what's in both this box and this bag. So we're going to do Allure first. So if you're not familiar with Allure, I'm going to link a video above here that you can watch. It will tell you all the details about it, the pricing, how often it comes, things of that nature. Here is the bag that the items were sent in. The first thing that I see in this bag is Maybelline Flower Lab Essence Mask in Rose.
Any ideas?
This mask is $7, so that's not bad at all. This is K-Beauty. It's hydrating, it's a light fit cell, whatever that means, and it's a serum type. And they actually have a bottle of serum here with rose petals inside of it. Not sure if they sell this serum or not, but this is the actual mask. It's infused with nourishing botanical extracts and moisturizing hyaluronic acid and glycerin. The sheet mask is made from eucalyptus pulp, which adheres well to skin, and it smells like a rose perfume. I love masks. You guys know that if you've been watching this series, so I'm excited to add yet another mask to my skincare collection. Next, I see by the same brand, Pomade, is the Petal Spa Oil to Foam in Flower Rose. This is an oil cleansing foam for quick and easy cleansing that gently dissolves makeup with oil and forms a rich lather with water. So it goes on as an oil and then lathers into a foam. Massage it in your face and then you wash it off with lukewarm water. It retails for $21. It gives off a delicate and elegant floral scent. It dissolves foundation, mascara, and eyeliner quickly, and it's spiked with damask rose oil. This can be paired with the skin mask, so that's pretty cool that we get two of those items for the skincare in this box. Next thing that I see is the Mally High Shine Liquid Lipstick, $21, and it's a rich and creamy gloss that covers the lips in a luxe shiny color. It looks more like a high pigmented gloss than a traditional liquid lipstick. And they have all types of colors that range from pink to burgundy. You can buy it on QVC. I actually like watching QVC. I don't know what it is. Oh, look, that little applicator is more like a brush, like a nail brush almost, than your typical liquid lip applicator. Let's give this a swatch. And that's a beautiful sheer mauve color. I really like this one. And I'm pretty sure that if you layer this up, you can make it less sheer. Next in the box is the Model Co Metallic Eyeshadow Trio in Mykonos. I actually really want to go to Mykonos one day. I've seen it so many times and it looks so gorgeous in pictures and video. This retails for $15. The colors are very, very pretty. This is pretty cool because this is travel size. You can easily throw this in a travel size makeup bag and carry it with you. A beautiful, beautiful rose gold with a burgundy kind of twang to it. More like a foil here, and the other two are more like shimmers. Very pretty colors. Let's give them a swatch. These are the colors. Very pretty. Got some good color payoff there, so I'm really excited to try these colors. Next thing that I see is a Moda brush. This is a really nice angled eye brush, and it's in gold. You guys know, if you saw my last BoxyCharm, that we got Moda brushes in that box, and those were like a pink rose gold type color to go with the themes. I guess this is the original color that they come in, but it is a really nice brush. It's metallic, so I'm excited add another metallic brush to my set. This is a $5 brush, so yes, Moda's very reasonable in their prices. Also good for contouring. Use it in the crease or over your lid and to smoke out your colors. Next thing in the box is the Brow Gal by Tanya Crooks. And this is a $22 tinted brow gel. And apparently it doesn't leave the crunch that other brow gels leave behind. I love a good brow gel that gets those brows into place and locks them there, but doesn't leave that crunchy feeling. Last thing that I see in this box is by Wonder Beauty, and this is the Mile High Club Volume and Length Mascara.
Any ideas?
Really like the applicator on it. Wonder Beauty seems to be a staple with subscription boxes. I think I've gotten a Wonder Beauty product in 3 or 4 subscription boxes in the last couple of months, and that retails for $26. Moving on to Ipsy. It was the month of February, which is Valentine's month, so the bag for that month had little kisses all over it. First thing I see in this box is yet another eye brush. You guys already know, if you've been watching my series, that I love when I get brushes in my subscription boxes. Another Luxie brush. I think I've received 4 other Luxie brushes, I think in my BoxyCharm, one of my BoxyCharm boxes. So this is my 5th Luxie brush, and I actually like the color of this more. It's like a beautiful pink pastel with a rose gold ferrule, and the brush hairs are really soft, synthetic of course, but just very pointy, very precise to get in there and maybe put a color in the crease or smoke out a color on the outer V. Very nice brush. And the card actually doesn't say how much this brush goes for, but very excited to add it to my collection. Then we have the MAC Strobe Cream. I've never tried a strobe cream before, and apparently you blend it onto your face using your fingers before makeup, or you can mix it with your foundation for a lit from within glow, or dab it over foundation for subtle highlights. So it sounds like a strobe cream is just a highlight, and this is actually the first MAC product that I've received in any of the subscription boxes that I've received, and I've received a lot, so I'm excited to try this product. And the color is Pink Light. It comes out like a whitish color and then shears out into a very light pink. Very pretty. I like how subtle the color is. Then we have the Fill and Renewed Pumpkin Walnut Facial Cleanser. The Deep Skin Treatment with Gentle Exfoliation. I really need to exfoliate. I have a little bit of texture showing up on my skin, so I'm gonna wash all of this makeup off and I'm gonna try this. It's got aloe leaf juice, glycerin, apple extract, bamboo stem powder, pumpkin seed oil, walnut shell powder, and a lot of other things I don't know how to pronounce, but I'm down to try new products, so we just gonna see what it do. Next thing I see in the box, it's Dream by PS Cosmeceutical. This is a beautiful color, okay? It's called Orchid. And apparently this brand was founded by a pair of doctors. It's good for you nail products. And grapeseed oil is a natural antifungal that keeps your nails healthy. Then we have the Hanalei Lip Treatment in Peach Pink. This is made in Hawaii. It's a peachy pink balm that hydrates and rejuvenates skin with cuckoo oil, a 5 Hawaiian nut that's rich in vitamins A, C, and E, and essential fatty acids. Okay, so I can appreciate the fact that they tell you what cuckoo or cuckoo nut oil is, because I feel like a lot of these brands, they send you products and they tell you what's in it, but they don't tell you what that is. There's a lot of stuff in beauty products that, let's be honest, half of these people, if not more, don't even know what this stuff means. They just like it and they put it on their face. I'm one that I actually like to research what's in these products and know exactly what I'm putting on my face, although that can get a little mind-boggling. So there's a couple of beauty YouTubers that I follow that they gonna tell me because that's what they do. But be informed, people, be informed. So that's it for that box, and that's it for this video. As far as what I think amongst the two, comparing the two bags, I like both bags. I really do. Like I've said before, if I could afford every beauty subscription box in the world, I would have all of them every single month. But if I had to choose one out of these two for me, I really like Allure, y'all. I just do. I don't know what it is. I think it is the size of the products more than anything. I feel like Ipsy sends the same quality of products, but they send it in much smaller sizes. But then again, Ipsy is cheaper than Allure. Although Ipsy does have the Glam Bag Plus, there's such a long wait list to be able to get the Ipsy Glam Bag Plus, and Ipsy Glam Bag Plus is probably more comparable to this Allure box, and it's definitely more comparable to BoxyCharm, which is $21 a month. I think Ipsy Glam Bag Plus is $25 a month, but they send bigger products in that bag. I really want to get my hands on Ipsy Glam Bag Plus, and then I can probably more properly compare the two with Allure and or BoxyCharm. Either way, I do like Ipsy, but if I had to choose out of these two boxes that I got this month, I would probably go with Allure, although it is a very hard decision. Let me know what you think down in the comments. That's the question of today. So if you made it to this part of the video, the word of today is a lip. Yes, A-L-L-I-P. That's just Allure and Ipsy together, but we gonna say all and ip. A lip. Put it below. So I don't want to leave without giving my weekly shout out, and this week I'm going to be shouting out Keela Jones, and she says, I like the filming style of this one, the overhead shot and voiceover, great job. And this was commented on my last video, how to clean makeup brushes quick and easy. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, go ahead, give it a thumbs up. If you want to see more, don't forget to subscribe, and you can hit the bell notifications, which will alert you every time that I upload a new video. And I will see you guys next time. Bye.
Any ideas?
Allure. A lip, people. A lip. All lip. A lip. A lip. Too pink? Real pink. A lip is real pink. Got a pink lip. A lip is pink. That's enough. That's enough.